myself PC Pandey, Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As you know that online classes will be continued delivered by Tagore Public School. You see regular my videos and like, share and subscribe. Today I tell you about the lens maker formula. Lens maker formula means a formula for focal length of a thin lens, and lens maker formula means a formula for focal length of lens in terms of focal length of lens and its radii of curvature. किसी लेंस के फोकल लेंथ और इसके रेडियाई ऑफ कर्वेचर के टर्म में जो फार्मूला फोकल लेंथ के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं उसी को लेंस मेकर फार्मूला कहते हैं. ए फार्मूला focal length of a thin lens a formula for focal length of a thin lens in terms of focal length of the lens and refractive index, focal length of the lens, refractive index of the lens material, and its radii of curvature, R1 and R2 is known as lens maker formula. वैसे लेंस के फोकल लेंथ के लिए एक फार्मूला होता है 1/f इक्वल 1/b माइनस 1/u. लेकिन लेंस के फोकल लेंथ के लिए फार्मूला u और v के टर्म में है, और यहां लेंस के फोकल लेंथ के लिए जो फार्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं वह लेंस के फोकल लेंथ के लिए जो फार्मूला हम अप्लाई करेंगे वो इसके रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स और रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर R1 और R2 के टर्म में अप्लाई करते हैं. तो लेंस के ये फार्मूला फॉर फोकल लेंथ ऑफ लेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ refractive index of the lens material and its radii of curvature R1 and R2 is known as lens maker formula. This is also known as refraction through thin lens. To obtain lens vector formula, we consider a thin lens AB. We consider a thin lens AB, which thickness is negligible. So, AB is a thin lens which is made by two spherical surfaces. AB is a thin lens which is made by two spherical surfaces AP1B and AP2B. So this lens is made by two spherical surfaces AP1B and AP2B. Let O is a point object placed on principal axis from which a ray of light incident on the lens this lens is made by refractive index mu2, or we can say that the refractive index of the lens material is mu2, and this lens is placed in a rarer medium of refractive index mu1. So mu1 is the refractive index of rarer medium. On both sides of lens, rarer medium is present. Hence we can say that this lens of refractive index mu2 is placed in rarer medium of refractive index mu1. So mu1 is absolute refractive index of rarer medium and mu2 is absolute refractive index of lens material. So here we see that on both sides of the lens, rarer medium is present. When a ray of light incident on the surface AP1B, then it enters inside denser medium. First of all, we suppose that on right side of this surface AP1B, denser medium is present. When on right side of this spherical surface when on the right side of this spherical surface AP1B is denser medium, then its light rays refracted towards normal side. Here light rays incident on the surface AP1B coming from the point object O. Let C1 is the center of curvature of the surface AP1B. So when we join center of curvature from this point of incidence, then this behave as normal. When this ray of light enter inside denser medium, then it is reflected towards the normal side, and meet at the point I dash. So we can say that I1 dash is virtual image of the object O, because here we consider on the right side of this surface AP1B is denser medium. O से लाइट रे चलकर इस सरफेस AP1B पर इंस्टेंट होती है, तो सबसे पहले हम यह मानते हैं कि इस सरफेस AP1B के राइट साइड में डेंसर मीडियम ही प्रेजेंट है। अगर इसके राइट साइड डेंसर मीडियम प्रेजेंट है तो यह लाइट रेज रेयर से डेंसर में इंटर करने पर ये नॉर्मल साइड बेंड जाती है और बेंड होकर के प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के आई डैश पॉइंट पर मिलती है। तो इस तरह हमें कहते हैं कि वो का वर्चुअल इमेज आई डैश बनता है। तो यहां पे इसको AP1B के राइट साइड में डेंसर मीडियम लेते हैं, ये लाइट रेज रिफ्लेक्ट होकर के ये पॉइंट आई डैश पर मिलती है। हियर आई डैश बिहेव एज वर्चुअल image, and we can say that I dash is virtual image of the object O. All the distances are measured from the optical center. So this distance is U and this distance is V dash. Here we consider distance of virtual image I dash as V dash. Similarly, here we can also write distance from P1 to O, U, and this distance is write as V dash, and R1 is the radius of curvature. Let AB is a thin lens made by two spherical surfaces, AP1B and AP2B. AB is a thin lens made by two spherical surfaces AP1B and AP2B. We consider that its thickness is negligible, which thickness is negligible. A point object is placed, the absolute refractive index, of the lens is mu2, and this is placed in a rarer medium of absolute refractive index mu1, लेंस का एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स म्यू2 है और यह म्यू1 रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स के रेयर मीडियम में प्रेजेंट है। इस लेंस के बोथ साइड रेयर मीडियम प्रेजेंट है। A point object is placed. A point object O is placed at the principal axis at the principal axis from which a ray of light incident on the spherical surface AP1B ओ से लाइट रे चलकर इस स्फेरिकल सरफेस AP1 पर इंसिडेंट होती है। So first of all we consider that on right side denser medium is present. First of all we consider that on right side of this surface AP1B is denser medium present. Denser medium is present. So virtual image of object O is formed at I dash. So virtual image of the object O is formed at I dash. वो का वर्चुअल इमेज I dash पे बनता है। Hence from reflection formula, through spherical surface mu2, here we know that formula for reflection through spherical surface mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal mu2 minus mu1 by r. Hence we can write here we see that light ray travel from rarer to denser, from mu1 medium to mu2. So here we can write mu2 by v dash minus mu1 by u is equal mu2 minus mu1 by r1. This is equation first. Here r1 is the radius of curvature of surface AP1B. But here we see that on the right side of the surface rarer medium is present. So But here we see that, but here we see that on right side, to the lens, rarer medium present. Rarer medium is present. So I guess we have a virtual object for second surface AP2B. So I guess we have a virtual object for the surface AP2B. अगर इस लेंस के राइट साइड रेयर मीडियम प्रेजेंट है तो सेकेंड सरफेस AP2B के लिए आई डैश वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट काम करता है, यानी सरफेस AP1B से बना हुआ सरफेस AP1B से O का जो वर्चुअल इमेज यहां पे बन रहा है, यही वर्चुअल इमेज आई डैश सेकेंड सरफेस AP2B के लिए वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट काम करता है। तो यहां हम देखते हैं फिर इस लाइट रेज का सेकेंड सरफेस से रिफ्लेक्शन होता है। तो इस साइड में अगर इसके राइट साइड रेयर मीडियम लेते हैं तो लाइट रेज पहले रेयर से डेंसर जाती है, फिर डेंसर से रेयर जाएगी, तो इसका सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर सेकेंड सरफेस AP2B का सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर लेफ्ट साइड होता है। यहां से इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं, ये ज्वाइन लाइन पे नॉर्मल होती है और ये लाइट रेज जब डेंसर से रेयर जाती है, अगर इस साइड डेंसर होता तो यह लाइट रेज इस प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के आई डैश पॉइंट पर मिलती, बट हियर वी सी दैट on the right side rarer medium is present, so this light ray is refracted from the surface AP2B। अब इस लाइट रेज का इस सरफेस AP2B से रिफ्लेक्शन होता है, तो डेंसर से रेयर हो जाती है तो नॉर्मल से अवे हो जाती है। तो नॉर्मल से अवे हो जाने पर यह लाइट रेज आई डैश से न मिल करके ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के आई पॉइंट पे मिलती है और ये इसका फाइनल इमेज होता है। तो O का रियल इमेज ये पॉइंट I बनता है एंड दिस डिस्टेंस इज टेकन एज V। Here I dash is behave as image. Here we see that light edge is traveled from denser to rarer. So from reflection formula for spherical surfaces is from reflection formula through spherical surface from reflection formula for spherical surface. Here we see that first of all light rays travel from rarer to denser. Again, this light rays travel from denser to rarer. When light rays travel from denser to rarer, then from this formula we can write that mu1 by v, because the final image is formed at I, and this image I is formed in rarer medium, not denser medium. I dash for second surface AP2B, I dash behave as virtual object. So this distance V dash is taken as on the place of U. So you can write mu1 by V minus mu2 by V dash is equal mu1 minus mu2 by R2, where R2 is radius of curvature of surface AP2B. And this can also written as mu1 by V minus mu2 by V dash is equal, if we take common, minus, taking minus common, so this quantity become negative and this is become positive. So mu1 become negative, mu1 become negative and mu2 become positive. So this can also written as mu2 minus mu1 by R2. This is equation second. Now adding equation first and second. Adding equation first and second, we get इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में सेकेंड को ऐड करते हैं, mu2 बाई v डैश माइनस mu1 बाई u इज इक्वल mu2 माइनस mu1 बाई r1 एंड mu1 बाई v माइनस mu2 बाई v डैश इज इक्वल माइनस mu2 minus mu1 by R2. When we adding these two equations, there we see that mu2 by v dash and minus mu2 by v dash, these are cancelled. So remaining quantity become mu1 by v minus mu1 by u is equal, taking mu2 minus mu1 common, so this become mu2 minus mu1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So here we can write mu1 by v minus mu1 by u is equal mu2 minus mu1 into in bracket 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, where r1 is radius of curvature of first spherical surface and R2 is radius of curvature of second surface. Taking common mu1, this can written as 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal mu2 minus mu1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this can also written as 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal. Now divided this quantity by mu1. So this is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by mu1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is equal 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal. Now dividing mu2 and mu1 by mu1. So this can obtain mu2 by mu1 minus mu. Mu2 by mu1 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. But here we know that the relative refractive index of denser medium with respect to rarer mu is equal to mu2 by mu1. So here we can write on the place of mu2 by mu1 is mu. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal mu minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is equation third. If we consider that object O is at infinite, then image is formed at the focus. If we consider that object O is at the infinite, so image is formed at the focus of the lens. That is, if U is equal infinite, then V is equal F. So from equation third, we can write that on the place of V, F, 1 by F minus 1 by infinite is equal mu minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. But we know that 1 by infinite is equal 0. So 1 by F is equal mu minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is known as Lensmaker formula. Hence here we can write Lensmaker formula as 1 by F is equal mu minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is the formula for focal length of the lens in the terms of refractive index mu of the lens and radii of curvature R1 and R2 of spherical surfaces. Hence, this formula is known as Lensmaker formula. This is known as Lensmaker formula. Now we start to class. Thank you.